What if I told you that while everyone's talking about AI taking over jobs, you could actually use AI to create opportunities and make yourself irreplaceable? And what if I told you that you could master AI completely for free? Look, here's the harsh reality. AI isn't going anywhere. But here's the good news. Most people are still clueless about how to actually use it. That's your golden ticket right there. Today, I'm sharing 10 incredible free courses that'll take you from complete AI beginner to someone who can build AI agents, create apps without coding, and automate almost anything. And I've arranged these from absolute beginner to advanced, so you can follow along step by step. Stick around because course number 7 will literally blow your mind. It's about a model that can actually think and reason like a human. But first, let's start with the foundation. Course 1, ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers by OpenAI. All right, let's start with the absolute basics, and this is where 90% of people mess up. They think talking to AI is like talking to Google. Wrong! This OpenAI course teaches you the secret language of AI, prompt engineering. Think of it like this. If AI is a genie, prompts are how you make your wishes. Make a bad wish, get a bad result. In just 1.5 hours, you'll master 4 game-changing skills. Text summarization, turn 50-page reports into 5 bullet points. Inferring, make AI detect emotions, extract key insights. Transforming, convert casual emails into professional ones instantly. And expanding, turn one sentence into a full article. Here's what's crazy. After this course, you'll understand how large language models actually think. It's like getting the cheat codes to the AI game. But knowing how to talk to AI is just step 1. What if you could build actual applications without writing a single line of code? Course 2, Vibe Coding 101 with Replit. Welcome to the future, vibe coding. VIP stands for very important person coding, and trust me, after this course, you'll feel like coding royalty. Picture this. You describe what you want. I wanted to do app that sends me motivational quotes. And boom, Replit's AI builds it for you in seconds. No syntax errors, no debugging nightmares, just pure creation. In this course, you'll learn the 5-skill framework. Frameworks, understanding how apps are structured. Checkpoints, saving progress like a video game. Debugging, when things go wrong, and they will. Context, giving AI the right information. And iteration, making it better step by step. Your final project? A head-to-head national park ranking app. Imagine showing that to your friends. They'll think you're a coding wizard. And now it's time to level up even more. What if you need to build entire AI agents working together? Course 3, Multi-AI Agent Systems with CrewAI. Now things are getting seriously exciting. Imagine having a team of AI employees, each with their own specialty, working together 24/7. CrewAI teaches you to build AI agent systems that are like having a virtual company. You'll create agents that can resume writer agent, tailors your resume for every job application, research agent, digs deep into any topic faster than any human, customer support agent, handles inquiries while you sleep, and outreach agent manages your email campaigns. Here's the secret sauce. It's all about role-playing, memory, and tools. Each agent has a specific role, remembers past conversations, and uses specialized tools. It's like directing a movie where AI agents are your actors. The best part? You can set guardrails so they don't go rogue. We're building helpful assistants, not Skynet. And now, here's where we dive into cutting-edge territory. Course 4, MCP, Model Context Protocol by Anthropic. This is brand new technology that most people don't even know exists yet. MCP is like creating a universal language for AI agents. Think of it this way. Right now, different AI tools are like people speaking different languages. MCP is the universal translator that lets them all work together seamlessly. In this 1.5-hour course straight from Anthropic, you'll learn to build your own MCP server. Sounds complex, but it's actually intuitive. Make any chatbot MCP compatible, connect multiple AI services together, and deploy everything so it actually works in the real world. This is insider knowledge. While everyone else is using AI tools separately, you'll be orchestrating them like a symphony conductor. Ready to build real applications that people can actually use? Course 5, Building Systems with the ChatGPT API. Now we're moving from theory to building real, deployable applications. This is where you go from AI enthusiast to AI builder. The ChatGPT API is like having a direct phone line to one of the smartest AI systems ever created. But here's the thing. Most people don't know how to use it effectively. You'll learn to automate complex workflows. Customer inquiries that would take hours now take minutes, email responses that sound perfectly human, and data processing that would require a full team. Your capstone project, a complete customer service chatbot that can handle real customer inquiries. Imagine deploying this for a local business. They'd be your hero. But what if I told you there's an AI that can actually think before it responds? Course 6, Reasoning with O1 by OpenAI. This is the course I was excited to tell you about. O1 isn't just another AI model. It's the first AI that actually reasons. Watch this. Instead of immediately responding, O1 thinks through problems step by step. It's like the difference between someone blurting out an answer and a genius who pauses, considers all angles, then gives you the perfect solution. You'll master the 4 principles of O1 prompting. Planning, how to make O1 think strategically. Sequencing, breaking complex tasks into steps. Balancing, intelligence versus cost, because thinking takes time. And meta-prompting, using O1 to improve your own prompts. This is like having Einstein as your personal assistant. Now let's explore Google's answer to ChatGPT. Course 7, Generative AI Explorer, Vertex AI by Google. Google isn't sitting quietly in the AI race. Vertex AI is their playground, and trust me, it's more like a professional workshop. Gemini 2.5 Pro is Google's flagship model, and Vertex AI is where you unleash its full potential. Think of it as the difference between using a basic calculator and having access to a supercomputer. What makes this special? Multimodal capabilities. Text, images, code, all in one. Enterprise grade, built for real business applications. And integration heaven, connects with all Google services. The hands-on labs walk you through building actual AI applications. By the end, you'll understand why Google is a serious contender in the AI space. But what if you don't want to be locked into one company's ecosystem? Course 8, Hugging Face course on open source models. Welcome to the Netflix of AI models. Hugging Face hosts over 100,000 open source AI models. It's like having access to every AI tool ever created for free. This isn't just about using models. You'll understand the science behind them. Natural language processing, transformers, tokenizers. Sounds complex, but the course breaks it down brilliantly. Here's what's incredible. You'll learn about transformers, the technology behind ChatGPT, explained simply, inference, making models actually do useful work, bias and limitations, the dark side nobody talks about, and custom data sets, training models on your own data. Plus, there's a certification exam. Imagine having certified in AI and machine learning on your LinkedIn. And for our final advanced resource, Course 9, Building AI Chatbots from Scratch. This is your capstone course where everything comes together. You'll build chatbots that aren't just impressive demos, but production-ready applications. We're talking about chatbots that remember previous conversations, access real-time information, handle complex multi-step requests, and integrate with existing business systems. The beautiful part is you'll use everything you've learned: prompt engineering, API integration, reasoning models, and open source tools. It's like your AI graduation project. By the end, you'll have a portfolio piece that could literally get you hired or help you start your own AI consulting business. And finally, here's a bonus resource that ties everything together. Bonus: OpenAI's AI Agent Guide. This 34-page PDF from OpenAI is pure gold. It's their internal guide to building AI agents, and they're sharing it for free. But here's my secret hack. Upload this PDF to Notebook LM and watch the magic happen. It transforms into an interactive course with mind maps, audio overviews, and study guides. It's like having a personal AI tutor. The guide covers everything: what agents are, when to build them, architecture foundations, and crucial guardrails. This is insider knowledge from the company that started it all. Conclusion. Here's the truth. We're living in the most exciting time in human history. AI isn't just changing technology, it's rewriting the rules of what's possible. Right now, while most people are worried about AI taking their jobs, you have the opportunity to become the person who creates those AI solutions. You can be the one businesses come to when they need AI expertise. These 10 courses aren't just tutorials. They're your roadmap to becoming irreplaceable in the AI economy. And the best part? It's all completely free. Start with Course 1 if you're a complete beginner. Already know the basics? Jump to Course 5 or 6. Want to build the future? Courses 8 and 9 are calling your name. The future belongs to those who understand AI. Don't just watch it happen, be part of it. All the links are in the description below. Pick one course, start today, and thank yourself a year from now when you're the AI expert everyone comes to for help. What's stopping you? Drop a comment below and let me know which course you're starting with. I read every single comment, and I'm here to support your journey. Hit that like button if this video helped you see the AI opportunity. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one where we dive even deeper into the AI revolution. Your AI journey starts now. Let's go!